Yes, man. This must be a mechanic's car. There is nothing that you can say to me that will convince me otherwise.
What is going on here?
May I hope say my drive that go its final resting place. Scrap metal yard.
Brother, go dash with that.
That caravan vertebral has lived its full life. I find it very miraculous that even though it is in skeletal form, it's still a run. Me I wonder where it a run Pandora. Cause I can't regular gas that use. You have to use like a downgraded farm of petrol. Kerosene. A kerosene I let run pan. The resale value for that caravan vertebral $37. It can't be more than $37. The more I say to the brother where you sleep in the back, you're careless with your life. Let us talk about the fact that it seems to be made up of different vehicle parts. Me sure said that right there, so I want bike side mirror.
That's rich.
Let us talk about how the trunk is fully ventilated. Let us talk about the headrest or the lack thereof. What is that? What that?
Something alright.
Let us talk about that instrument right there that seems to be an important part of the back wheel, which is now dangling in the wind. The back wheel is soon cut.
God go with him, you know. We don't go with him.
Again, it must be one mechanic. Only a mechanic will drive the worst of vehicles and do it with so much confidence. You don't think them a press one of them luxurious vehicle there.
That is it, people.
Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is getting too crazy. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.